Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Salem County in southern New Jersey, southwestern Camden County in southern New Jersey, central Gloucester County in southern New Jersey until 3:45 p.m. At 3:09 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Swedesboro, or 10 miles east of Wilmington, moving at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Glassboro, Dixon, Slate, Woodstown, Swedesboro, Mulligan Hill, Turnersville, Beckett, Pineville, Winona, and Blackwood. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Camden, Gloucester, and Salem.
I want to get to a really interesting piece of this as well. Politico points out that the underlying all of this and all of this change in Texas, the team voters are going to sway the same way that they did when they voted for Donald Trump a year ago. He was on top of the ballot. Again,
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Mercer County in central New Jersey, southwestern Monmouth County in central New Jersey, Burlington County in southern New Jersey, northwestern Camden County in southern New Jersey, north central Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, northwestern Ocean County in southern New Jersey, until 7:15 p.m. At 3:10 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain has fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Radar. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Philadelphia, Toms River, Central, Kansas, Washington, Gary, Jackson, and Mount Norman, Bedford, Turnaround, Open Highway. Mostly flood damage occurs in the reports observed from the local emergency services or law enforcement and requesting factors for the National Weather Service when using severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Ocean County in southern New Jersey, central Burlington County in southern New Jersey, until 4 p.m. At 3:11 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Cedar Glen Lake, or 14 miles west of Toms River, moving northeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gust. Source: radar indicated. Impact: damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations affected include Presidential Lakes Estate, Lakehurst, Cassville, Woodruff, Beverly, Cedar Glen Lake, Whiting, Pine Ridge, Crestwood, Brownsville, Holiday City, Berkeley, Country Lake Estate, Crestwood Village, Holiday City, and Holiday Heights. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle to the flooded roadways. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. for the following